Why wake up early in the morning and do beach boxing? Well, let me give you your reason why. Let's look at some of these reasons now that I'm going to follow on this video as to why you should be waking up and you should be doing beach boxing. As Tony Robbins says, to change your emotion, you need to change your motion. Here are your reasons why. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about taking action. It's about mindset. It's about being able to switch on your mind at that important moment in time. It's about taking yourself from the practice arena to the performance arena. So not being perfect, just being prepared to take action. That's what it's about, mindset.
We're now doing fight, flight, or freeze. We're working on right now. It's the flight section.
Just look at the way Michael has improved from the practice arena to the performance arena.
Over.